So, how can I bring my stock portfolio to $1 million? So, the answer to that question is by trading options or investing with uh, large amounts of money. Unfortunately, I don't have the large amount of money, but I do have, you know, little experience trading options, right? And so an option that I got into was American Airlines. I got into this like a while ago. When was it? Yeah, I think the first time I bought in, I sold out for a loss, and then I got in. I kind of wanted to do a revenge trade in a way, and so far that's kind of backfired. The position costed me $1,528. It's down almost 36.65%. And part of the reason I had bought into American Airlines was because I saw it on the chart, like they were kind of like you can see like 528, right? They were good. And then 529 they just like dumped, right? And so when I had bought American Airlines again, right? I was like I kind of feel like it's oversold, and I do feel like it's gonna have to eventually have to go up. It's like way oversold, right? And I was wrong. I was totally wrong, right? So I bought it on the third, right? On the third, around 1150 something, 1150. And right now, as you can see, like American Airlines is just at 1043. And if you look at it on the weekly chart, right, you can kind of see that if you look back, um, 11 or 10 is kind of the support level for American Airlines. Now, let's say if, American Airlines, doesn't doesn't make it back to like 13 or $14, I'm like in big trouble in a way because I feel like my options could expire worthless. But that's part of the reason why I bought these options to expire till next year on June 20th, 2025. Now, another thing that I have in mind that I could make the comeback in a way is selling out of my crypto position and using that money to trade, give this another chance, right? And I kind of feel like I did on my part. I messed up like big time, really. And part of the reason I say that is because I've been testing out this strategy on my paper trade account, right? And basically how it works is you go on this website called Finviz, right? You go where it says screener, you click on where it says market cap, you click where it says mega, right? And then you click on performance, and then it's gonna show all of the stocks, from worst to best performance. And basically, what I like to do is basically analyze the worst stocks, you know, from best, right? Obviously, and try to see like if there's like how do you say I just like to analyze. Okay, where's the support? Where's the resistance? Why is this stock, like so oversold, right? And so right now, as you can see, AMD is like way oversold. Um, it's number 4 on the list of Invis as the worst performer. And if you look at AMD, right, AMD is currently at 139.03 after hours, right? But if you look at the daily chart, right, You can see that support is around the 136, 138 level, right? And so I kind of feel like right now AMD is oversold. Now, could this be another American Airlines trick? Maybe, who knows, right? Or has the AI hype, dimmed down? Possibly, but I feel like in a way, you know, I feel like AMD has, no reason for it to like be so oversold right now when this AI thing is still in the works. A lot of, AMD wants to get into it, right? And I'm guessing they're gonna get into it eventually, right? And, you can see that their what is it? Their earnings or their financials, they're not that bad. I mean, ever since what 2018 till now, they've been positive. They've been making money. Now their net income, right? Through, what was it? 2018 till now, they've made positive net income. And then if you look at their total revenue, annual revenue, right? It's just been growing, growing, and growing, right? And, except for 2023, that's kind of declined, but nonetheless, right? I feel like the AI hype is kind of like, you know, it could make them pop back up eventually once they come up with a new AI product or whatever. I'm not really sure with AMD, right? But I'm looking more at AMD on the technical side, on the technical analysis side. I feel like right now AMD is way oversold, right? And if you look at it on the weekly chart, on the weekly, it's showing that 139 is the support level for AMD right now. Now, if AMD reports earnings and their earnings aren't good, AMD could fall, way, way, way harder. But I feel like that can, if it does happen, then that means I don't know. I feel like AMD can't fall any further because look at where AMD is at right now. I feel like if they report earnings and AMD doesn't fall, then that's good because that means that it's already priced in. And if AMD does fall, then that means that all of this downwards, momentum isn't still priced in. I feel like maybe AMD could still crash further down. And so basically, what I'm trying to say is, right, I'm trying to use this website, right, see if it's a reliable strategy. So far, I've used it with Pepsi, I've used it with Visa, I've used it with, I think it was UNH. I used it with CRM, Visa, Pepsi, UNH, and I think that's it. And if I recall um, if I recall, I think there was a time where Apple was on this list as the worst performer. And then you can see Apple right now is like what price is it Apple at right now? Apple right now is at 218. So if you had held onto Apple, you would have been good. But nonetheless, trying to see, what could happen with American Airlines. Um, I'm gonna see if, you know, for the I said UNH, Visa. I don't know how many stocks I said. I forgot. I'm sorry. But basically, I've used that strategy like 4 times already in the past. It's worked. But we will see what happens, if it works with AMD. But other than that, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to use that website, it's called finviz.com. It's totally free. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna update you guys to see what happens with American Airlines. Hopefully, American Airlines has a crazy, you know, Green Day, hopefully. It's just kind of a little crazy that American Airlines hasn't like bounced back, to like at least 12 or 13, But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did good today, whether it be trading or investing, right? And other than that, I wish you the best of luck. As always, this is not financial advice. And yeah, and if you guys want to sign up with Webull, you can sign up with my Webull link in the description below, or you can sign up on Webull's website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll update you guys what happens to the stock portfolio. And probably the next move that could happen is obviously sell my crypto portfolio or use margin. We'll see what happens. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck. As always, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.